So constructivism basically means that no person, as it says down here, is a blank slate. So people learn based off of what they already know. They don't just acquire new information. They are pulling all the new information that they are like learning and relating it to their past experiences, environments, or whatever to conceptualize and understand in their own mind. So it basically means that new information isn't just being brought to them for the first time. And then cognitive load theory of multimedia is broken down into three different parts. Intrinsic means that the information cannot be manipulated by the instructor, and in extraneous and germane, they both can be manipulated by the instructor, but germane is more commonly used and more preferred because it the goal reduces the amount of times it can be manipulated or the way it can be manipulated. And then e-learning theory was actually brought to it because of the cognitive load theory. It was influenced by that. And e-learning theory is just basically the different ways to use technology to help electronic education progress and be as useful as possible.